In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Noob avatar in Roblox on PC. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app. Now head over to this section, Avatar. Click on the option Customize. Now navigate to this section, Body. Then select the option Build. Scroll down and make sure that R6 is selected as your avatar type. The classic Roblox Noob uses the original R6 character style. Then navigate to the option Skin. Select Advanced to customize individual body parts. Set it to all. Then select this yellow color. Now use this slider and change it. Next, select Torso and change it to a blue color. Also, you can use this slider given over here to customize the color. Now set it to left leg and choose green color. Then set it to right leg and choose the same color that you have applied for the right leg, the green one. At this point, your avatar should have the iconic Noob color combination, yellow head and arms, blue torso and green legs. For the final step, go back to body and review any equipped body parts, bundles or special avatar packages. If you see any torso, arm or body modification equipped, deselect them so that your avatar keeps the simple, blocky appearance of the original Roblox Noob. Continue removing any remaining body packages or accessories until your character looks like the classic Roblox Noob. And that's it, you have successfully created the classic Noob avatar in Roblox on PC. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.